lovelies, and welcome to a brand new video. It has been a while, but I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and hopefully 2022 will be better. So far I haven't had much luck, but hopefully you will. So before we get into this video, I do want to share this amazing Etsy seller. I recently brought some leggings from her and they are amazing. This is my third year buying from her, so they normally last between a year and 2 years. So yeah, it's my third time buying from her and look how beautiful they are. They are so pretty. So definitely go check her out if you want to get some cool new leggings. Oh, and as you can see, I'm plus size, so she does do plus size sizes. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, I am doing an unboxing review of Veryneko, and if you've looked on their website, oh my gosh, everything is so beautiful, so cute, and pretty much all of their stuff they do is in a collaboration with Disney, so it's like all Disney stuff, I'm pretty sure. They are so beautiful. But first I do want to mention I did have a small problem. So they marked my items as dispatched through their website when it hadn't actually been dispatched yet. And when I said I hadn't received my items after a week, I was concerned because you said you dispatched them. They said, oh, we haven't dispatched it yet, and they'll keep me updated. It had been a while. And also the tracking wasn't working, the tracking number they gave me, so I was like freaking out. Because obviously it's Christmas, I know things were going to take longer. I feel like they should have done things a little bit differently. I ordered it on the 12th of November and I received them the 3rd of January, so almost 2 months, and they probably got a lot of orders in because I got these on the Black Friday sale, so like they were doing 2 for like £100, so there was probably like a lot of orders coming in, so it is understandable. It's just they shouldn't have marked it as dispatched if they hadn't dispatched it. You can only mark it as dispatched if you've dispatched it or you know you're going to on the day you're marking it as dispatched as. And then the second problem was they used Herms. I absolutely dislike Herms. I've had multiple problems myself sending items from there, and I've also had multiple problems other people sending me items on there, and it just hasn't gone well. So I would happily pay, even if you charge £10 extra, because after you spend a certain amount it's free. Even if I got charged £10, like just to have it be delivered by Royal Mail instead of Herms, then I would happily pay that, just because that way I can feel more confident that my parcel's actually gonna arrive, especially when it says it's supposed to. Whereas Herms, I went on the tracking and it said it had been delivered. This was 2 weeks before I checked it. It said it was delivered 2 weeks before, and I was like, oh sorry, what? I have not got my parcel. I checked my whole family. I was like, have you signed for my parcels? I need my parcels. I went next door and I don't really like my neighbours, so that says a lot. And yeah, I haven't received the parcels, so I did message them, and through the messaging they ended up being really good. So my first message was basically saying, hi, I haven't received my parcel. When I go to tracking it says it's been delivered, but there isn't any photo or anything on there, which they normally do, so I'm really concerned as to where my parcel is. Also, Herms did not have anyone, like an actual person that was going to help until the 4th, which was about 2 days ago. So I was really concerned that I just wasn't going to get my things, and I wasn't sure if it was Herms, someone stole it, someone delivered it to the wrong place, or Veryneko was a scam. But they're not, okay? I think it was just a big mess, and I think they did really good at sorting it out, because they did email me originally saying, okay, you need to fill out this form and you have to sign it by hand, not digitally, and I was like, I don't have a printer, and and I told them that, and they were like, okay, we'll just get you some sent out. So I assume they're gonna call Herms, get their stuff back, because otherwise they might have lost a bit, which I do apologise for. but either way, they managed to get me my new ones, and they sent it through Royal Mail Tract, which I think was great. It probably did cost a lot because that is a big box and it was quite hefty, so I do appreciate them for just, you know, taking it on the nose and be like, right, there was a mistake, wasn't my fault, so they did really good at fixing it and getting it sorted. So now I have my parcels. I messaged them and I said, hi, I've received the new parcels, thank you so much, everything looks great, and everything did look absolutely amazing. So would I buy from Veryneko again? Yes. Part of me wants to say maybe not near Christmas, however I think but I also would want to get them while it's on sale, all the discounts, because I don't exactly have a lot of money to splurge. Like, this was a gift for me for Christmas, and of course I impulse bought quite a bit of it because I do that. But anyway, let's show you the unboxing. And I do want to add, my nan got me this. This jacket was in the Veryneko 12 Days of Christmas. They had my size. I think if I got any larger though, I don't think they would have my size, but they did go up to 3XL. And it is a big jacket, but it fits comfortably. It's like a little bit baggy, but I like that. So when I've lost my weight, it'll be like super baggy. But this is in the 3XL. And then here are all the princesses. If you can see. It's a denim jacket and it's really good quality and it's super duper comfy.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard, you'd fight with my mom, I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that...
Now, yes, I love all of the bags, but I will say my favourites, and I will go in order. So this is my favourite one. This is the Robin Hood and Maid Marian one. And it actually swings and moves, which I think is pretty cute. Hopefully it doesn't break though. It's a really lovely colour. The quality is absolutely amazing, so definitely worth the pennies. This is the back, the inside. Now these are like mini backpacks, so when you compare it to like my big black one, it is technically mini, but these are quite big and they fit quite a lot. This one is my favourite, and I love that on all the bags they have this, which just, I don't know, it makes it feel all really professional, but it looks really nice and it's shiny and I love it. This is definitely my favourite bag. Now, my second favourite bag is this one! And the reason why this one is my second favourite bag is because I have autism, so like the whole sensory is perfect. So if I'm in a situation where I feel uncomfortable, where I feel like I know I'm going to be uncomfortable, I will take this bag with me, and if that situation ever pops up, I can just start playing with it. It also smells, it has a scent, it's supposed to smell like strawberries. It has like a cute little strawberry charm here, and it smells like strawberry lip gloss that you'd get. So not like real strawberries, but you know, is that kind of smell. And got a cute little patch on the back. This says, "You've got a play date with destiny." And on the inside is really cute. It's got lots of little love hearts in this. My next favourite bag is this one. So this is Marie, And on the back it says, "Because I'm a lady." Look how cute this is. Now the one problem with the bag like this is because it's all white, it can only be used for like special occasions, not your just going out for an event with a walk with muddy dogs. Something like that, I don't know. But you do have to be careful because it is a full white bag. Now in this bag I bought this as well, so it wasn't free or anything. I put this Disney Alice in Wonderland purse. So I felt like this is going to be my special occasions purse. And on the inside it says, "A very merry on birthday to you," which is perfect. The only problem with this, I know, is there's a hole here. So when you put your money in, now I know notes are unlikely to fall out of this bit. I would just feel a little bit concerned, because if you had money, I like to play with the money sometimes while I'm waiting for things, like I roll it. So if I put it in while it was rolled, it could fall out. I'm not sure. But this is a very cute purse and I'm very happy with it. Now the final bag, now as much as I do love this one, the other ones are just like extra special to me, so that's why they're my favorites. But I do love this bag, and this is the Rapunzel bag. Look how pretty that is. Like, it's so pretty. It comes with a really cute charm, and the inside is pretty plain, so it's pretty much a basic bag, which I feel like I might use this bag for the majority of going out and stuff. And then I had to get a Rapunzel purse to go with it, because these things you just gotta do what you gotta do. So here is what it looks like. It is very cute. The purses were 2 for something, I'm not sure, so that's what I did get 2. I know you probably don't need a lot of purses, but I thought 1 for different. I just really want to collect them all, okay? This is what it looks like on the inside. This is where you put your money. And then on this side is the coin. There. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So it's a very adorable purse. So that is everything I've received from Veryneko. I do believe they are having a January sale, so definitely go get yourself some bags. I will leave a link in the description where you can get some money off. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.